first thing we do before we build any birdhouse is we think about who are the birds who are gonna live here. This is a southern bird. It's a beach bird. It has a lot of friends. They like to come from the north and fly themselves down. We have the main house, and then we have the guest house. The sides, the things you see in white, PVC. Doesn't need to be painted, it's durable, it's not gonna wear down. Roof, cedar shake, perfect for what we need. Now, when you're a bird and you're coming in hot, kind of like a zip line, when you're flying in, you gotta hit this little bit of a ramp. If you notice, it kind of slopes up. This is Ipe. Blind fastened stainless fasteners around the birdhouse. This birdhouse is not going anywhere.
It was kind of farmhouse inspired. Got an entrance in the top here for one bird family and one down below. Front porch is properly slotted and drained to help with drainage. Very lightweight birdhouse, easy to move around and position as needed.
The log that we used to make the house came from one of the custom homes we were building, and I used a chainsaw to cut it open to give it a house in the middle. My 1.5-inch hole for the bluebird is there. I found the spike there out of the railroad tracks that bordered this piece of property out here, and I thought it would be good to kind of put there for the bird to be able to stand on. First time I've ever put a shake roof on. I'm not sure it turned out great, but pretty good for a birdhouse, I suppose.
The roof is an architectural shingle, so these birds will be protected. We also have a copper flashing drip edge, 2 double porches. They're gonna be in a beautiful location, so we wanted them to have some nice perches, trim work here that we've taken from the job site. We spray painted some nails on the balconies, as well as a brick courtyard down here at the bottom.
The decking is Ipe wood that came off of a remodel. The walls of the house are concrete samples. We have a black metal roof, bolts for the porch columns, and the bird walk that leads us to the walnut front entry. We accessorized with some air plants and some Spanish moss that I found in my woods.
I'm doing the mini pearl, and that's what I got the material from that. You can open the lid up, take the nest out, clean it out.
Spent some time building this weekend, and if I don't get in the house and spend some time with my wife, the next thing I'm going to be building is a doghouse.